Ready to unlock your Canadian dream? This step-by-step guide ensures your Canadian student visa application shines, avoiding common pitfalls and setting you up for success. First, access the official Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, or IRCC, website and log into your secure account. €. If you don't have one, create one now, as this is your gateway to submitting the online application. Now, dive into the application form, taking your time to accurately complete each section, including your personal details, passport information, and contact information exactly as they appear on your official documents. Next, carefully fill out your education history, listing all institutions attended and degrees earned. From secondary school onwards, €. Be truthful and complete. Prepare to upload your letter of acceptance from a designated learning institution, or DLI. This crucial document confirms your enrollment in a recognized Canadian educational program. Compile your financial documents demonstrating sufficient funds to cover tuition, living expenses, and return transportation. €. Bank statements, proof of scholarships, or sponsorship letters are essential. You must also undergo a medical exam by a panel physician approved by IRCC and include the examination results with your application, ensuring it meets Canadian standards. Obtain police certificates from your country of origin and any country where you have lived for 6 months or more to verify your background, demonstrating good character. Double-check the document checklist provided by IRCC to ensure you've included all the required forms and supporting documents, such as digital photos that meet their specific requirements. Finally, pay the application fee online using a valid credit or debit card. €. Make sure you keep a copy of the receipt for your records. Once you submit, you will receive a confirmation message indicating your application has been successfully received. €. This usually includes an application number. Track your application status through your IRCC account. Good luck with your application.